What's up everyone, it's on of this side, and I know it's been a long time after I have uploaded my last video because I was busy in some family function and also I was working on some very interesting projects. Let me just show you. So first of all, this is the portable hacking device, Wi-Fi hacking device that you can carry in your pocket, and it's a very popular device that was in another countries, but in India it's very less likely to be popular. And over here, this is the mini computer that I built from my friend who want to get into Wi-Fi hacking, and it's been running on an Pi Zero. So over here, as you can see, this is the Pi Zero connected under the screen, and an external Wi-Fi antenna is connected which supports monitor mode. And this one also running on a Pi Zero W, not Pi Zero 2W, because those are different and those doesn't support this hardware. And over here also I was working on a object detection AI on Pi 5, and it is working successfully, and I will be making a video in the next month about this. And videos on these projects will be live on this channel very soon, so you should subscribe to the channel to get into the journey of ethical hacking. And this video is purely educational and I doesn't promote any unethical content over here, and you should take all the responsibility to use this information wisely, because knowledge is power when used wisely. So that being said, now let's get into the video.
dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.